Welcome to this video, and let's get us started. How to add Metamask wallet into your Chrome browser. First, go to metamask.io. Make sure it's the correct website, otherwise you might lose your crypto to phishing sites. Click Download. Scroll down a bit and click Install Metamask for Chrome. Then click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Then you will be directed to the site. Read and understand the Metamask terms of use. Select this if you agree, then click Create a new wallet. If you agree to help improve Metamask, click I agree. Next, set a strong password. Click Understand and then click Create a new wallet. Click Secure My Wallet. To get your secret recovery phrase, click here to reveal it. Now you'll have a 12-word recovery phrase. You can copy the clipboard and save it, but it's better to write it down and hide it somewhere safe. Next, if you've saved your recovery phrase, you can fill in the missing words here. Confirm it. Now you have a Metamask wallet. Click on Got It and then click Done. You can enable security alerts and NFT auto detection. So here's our new Metamask wallet. Click this puzzle piece to pin it on Google Chrome extensions. Click the pin. Now I've added my Metamask wallet on Google Chrome. Before we send our USDT or our BNB to Metamask, we need to add the Binance Smart Chain to our Metamask wallet. Make sure you follow this step first before you send any funds to your Metamask wallet. To make it easier, I'm going to switch to Expand View. There are two ways to add BSC Network to our Metamask wallet. The first way is inside Metamask. Now this can be done on your PC or your phone. It doesn't actually matter which device you're using. The process will be exactly the same. Go to the top left corner and look for where it says Ethereum Mainnet. And when we click on that, now we can see all the networks that are currently on our wallet. In order to add BSC Network, we can simply go to the bottom and click Add Network. We will see a list of popular networks, which we can automatically add to our wallet. Since we're trying to add BNB, then we can click this one. And once you've done that, you'll be able to add BNB Smart Chain into a Metamask wallet. We can also use this site called Chain List, and this will allow you to add any network to your Metamask wallet. You can simply search at the top, and you can find the chain details. So I can go ahead and click Add to Metamask, and from there it will ask if we want to allow this site to add a network, and when you are happy, go ahead and click Approve, and it will ask you if you want to switch to the BNB chain network. Now, I'm going to show you how to add tokens to our Metamask wallet. In order to add a token to your Metamask wallet, what we need to do is open up coinmarketcap.com. And once you're here, you want to go up to the search bar. And here's where you want to type the token you need. I'm going to type in Shiba Doge, for example. Let's say we want to add this token. Now what we can do is go to where we see this contract number. Click on Copy Address. Then we want to open up our Metamask wallet and click on where it says Import Tokens. Go to where it says Custom Token and paste in this token address, followed by clicking on Add Custom Token, and then click on where it says Import Tokens. If you want to know an even faster way to do this, just click on the MetaMask icon right here, and it's gonna automatically add this token to your Metamask wallet. Click Add Token. We can now see the Shiba Doge token right here. So now we have the USDT added into our MetaMask. Next step is deposit USDT into our Metamask wallet. In this tutorial, we are using Binance, but you can use any other centralized exchange if you have that option. Down below I have a Binance link to open an account if you need it. Make sure you have a verified Binance account before you continue. If you don't have any USDT in your account, I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy it. Make sure that your card or bank details are up to date. This is their standard website process, but you can choose between the website or the mobile Binance app. Click on Buy Crypto at the top of this site, and you will be redirected to this page, where you can browse through all of the crypto. So I recommend that you use the search function and look for the specific coin or currency that you want to use. And here include the amount that you want to spend and which currency or crypto you want to receive. So as you can see, USDT is always under the most popular. Or you can type Tether or simply USDT. Include the amount like I mentioned. And before you click buy, make sure you select the right payment method. You can choose between card payment, bank, or other options. Check your credit balance before you make this purchase. That way you can fast and successfully close this transaction. Now, let's go to the next step. I'm going to show you how to swap or convert one token into another. Go back to the dashboard. Go to Spot and then find the coin you want to convert. We're going to click here where it says Convert. Let's say we have USDT, and now we want to swap it into BNB, because we need BNB to pay gas fees. Or we can do it the other way around. We want to swap BNB into USDT, or from any other token into USDT. In the first box, I have BNB, and right below I have USDT. I will convert one BNB and I click below. And in this pop-up, we can see how much is that in USDT. Complete. Now, let's assume you have those token amounts ready to withdraw. Right after, you'll want to send your BNB and your USDT to your Metamask wallet. In order to do that, we're gonna click in Withdraw. So this is the USDT. Right before, let's click on our Metamask wallet extension. Make sure you are using the right network. In this case is Binance Smart Chain. Now we copy our wallet address here, and you're gonna paste it right here. Make sure you select BSC, that's the Binance Smart Chain network. Usually is the first option with the lowest fees. In this new pop-up we are going to select, Yes, I'm sure. Let's assume we are going to send $10 to our Metamask wallet. I will get 9.2 USDT, and 0.8 USDT is the charge for fee network. Even if I put $100, the network fee is always applied. So, if you want to receive an exact amount, make sure you add one extra USDT to cover those fees. I'm going to leave it like this, just for this example. I'll go ahead and click on Withdraw. I need to follow the steps, and I'll get my private codes and finally submit. In a couple of minutes, I will receive these funds in my Metamask wallet.